How's it going? My name is Aaron Capdeboss. I'm a jeweler and gemologist, and I'm the owner of DeBosque Fine Jewelry Manufacturing in Mandeville, Louisiana. I'm a certified gemologist. I'm a certified jeweler, and I'm also certified since 1997 as a jeweler through Jewelers of America. I have been operating DeBosque Fine Jewelry since 2003, and I've been making a living as a jeweler since 1997. So I have seen a lot of jewelry. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Okay, today on Let's Ask a Jeweler, what is the difference between a privately owned jewelry shop and a national chain? That's a broad question. That's a big question. And people do ask me that in various ways all the time. People ask me that fairly often, like, what's the difference between your shop and a store that I saw on television, or this store that I heard they're advertising all the time? What's the difference? And the best way I can sort of work through that is this: jewelry shops are like restaurants. Some restaurants are interested in selling high volume and low quality. McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell. Hey, it's food. You can eat it. That doesn't make it good quality. Jewelry is the same way. If you go to a fine jewelry store or a fine restaurant, you should get a better experience. You should be offered better quality options. Much like restaurants, sometimes you can go places and the prices are high, but the quality is not as high as the price. And that's a common problem in the jewelry industry. Some people in the jewelry industry live very well, and they rely on brand. They rely on their name to fetch high prices for their pieces. A lot of my clients are not interested in spending the most money. They want to get good quality, great quality, and they want to get it reasonably priced. And that's something that we try to offer. That's how I built this company. For 20 years, I have been doing business where I am today in the same location. And that's always been sort of my guiding post. My philosophy is that I'm trying to give people fine jewelry options that are reasonably priced, so that I can get the business. If everyone asks the highest price, usually I find the guy who's being a little more reasonable. If you can produce the quality and you can do it efficiently, you're going to get the business. And so that's always been my motivation. We don't have 50 employees. We don't have a multi-million-dollar ad campaign running every year that we have to pay for. We don't support an NFL team or a basketball team or a baseball team, and all that advertising, all that glamour. Somebody has to pay for it. And it's going to be the customer. It's going to be the consumer that's going to pay for it. So, you have to find somebody that you like to work with, where you feel comfortable. I've had people come into my shop before, and I got the sensation that they didn't feel like I was highbrow enough for them. This apron that I'm wearing this apron because a little while ago I was in the workshop and I came up here to make a video, and this is my work outfit. This is what I wear while I'm working. I have my tools and my little towel, and I've got keys and all sorts. I have tweezers in here. This is not a costume. These are my tools that I use to work. If you want to buy jewelry from a salesman who's wearing a fancy suit and giving that posh, really just high-end experience, you can find that. There's lots of places to go, and you can find that. But if you're looking for somebody who's a jewelry maker who has access and reach to the finest materials in the world, like I do, check us out. Go on our website, debossjewelry.com. We have a wonderful website which shows a lot of our pieces. We have actually more pieces than are on the website. But it gives a really good example of the types of pieces that we have. And what else can I say? Check us out. Give us a shot. Shop. I mean, gee whiz, before you spend the money, after you spend the money, I can't help you. I can't help you. But before you buy, shop a little bit. Go to a few places. If you got somebody you've been buying from and you're comfortable, great, stay there. But if you've got somebody you've been buying from over the years and you're like, I don't know, don't be afraid to shop a little. Come give us a try. You might fall in love. Who knows?